Hi, everyone, and welcome to this edition of the Keptn Community and Developer Meeting. Today is August 19th, and as usual, please, if you're joining, and please just add your name to the list of attendees. I will also share it in the Zoom chat, so everyone has access to this. And while I'm doing this, I would just remind you that we are a CNCF project, and with this, we're also following the CNCF Code of Conduct. Yeah, some exciting news at the beginning. We presented yesterday in the app delivery tag our incubation proposal. Everything went well, I think, and yeah, we're waiting for the next steps here. Then another great thing that was already presented this week was our work on the POC together with our friends from the CDF on interoperability in CI and CD with Keptn and Keptn. I have already added here the link to the recording, so it will bring you to the Keptn SH website, but there is a YouTube link in the YouTube video that you can where you can watch the recording of this meeting together with Maurizio. And it was a POC that also Andrea from the CDF was also heavily involved. So big shout out again to them. And it was really great to see how we can build on a joint standard to work on this and to make this happen.
Jürgen, since you are mentioning that we as a Keptn team are working with the CDF to drive event standardization, I think it would also make sense to link here the document we have started to work on 2 weeks ago, where we try to give an overview of what are Keptn events, what are CDF events, because there is currently an ongoing discussion where we should also involve the Keptn community, I think.
Yes, absolutely. Let me just, it is a discussion on this one here. Let me just, yeah, so we have the link to the document here. Feel free to jump into this document and help us defining the list of events. And I will also link this here so everyone has access to the discussion, and you will find the link to the Google Doc in the discussion. Yeah, thanks for mentioning this. And then I think, yeah, there are a couple of ongoing efforts, like a demo we are building with the CrossPlane community, but this is still in its infancy, so nothing to share today. Probably in a week or two, we have more to discuss and share here. And yeah, for this, I already want to hand over to Johannes. And what we're going to do, I just briefly explained that we just want to make sure that Keptn core maintainers are in new contributors to Keptn, that they are more closely aligned, and that new contributors to Keptn also get kind of guidance how to contribute to Keptn and make it easier for them to get quicker feedback on this. So I think for this, Johannes, you have created this yeah, utility list here.
Right. I think you can still share the screen because, or yeah, do me a favor and open this link. It shows us the open PRs that are currently on the Keptn or Keptn-contrib repository, and then I scrolled through this list to figure out whether there are open PRs from the community, and I identified one from Gabriel Tanner, but this one is currently in a draft mode. All the others, they are from the Keptn core team. And I'm now asking, because I'm not that familiar with GitHub queries, if it would also be possible to customize this query so that we can exclude Keptn members and Keptn maintainers, because their pull requests are kind of reviewed on not automatically, but reviewed by exchanging PR links. But it would be really cool to limit this list. I didn't figure out how this can work.
Try with a member. thought maybe it's it's not even working if I append it after the -author app.
I mean, in the worst case, we have to go through this list every second week, which is also doable.
Yeah, I think there might be some like quick research to do how we can make this query a little bit longer and also include like more groups that we want to remove from this list, as you already figured out how to remove specific bots.
Right, I can remove this bot, but no additional team or member or bot.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but
okay.
Maybe we can edit as a short research item. I will just add it to the agenda. So maybe we can figure this out until next time.
And the open pull request from Gabriel, there is a unit test failing, and he's working on that. When this one is finished, then he will change the status from draft to open or to be ready for review, and then we can take a look at it.
Perfect. There we go. Yeah, it's do you want to take a look or you already did a research on this?
I did, but I didn't figure out how it's working.
Okay, I would just assign it to me. Maybe I find something, otherwise we have to skip it, and we follow the approach that you already mentioned. Yeah, and is there another pull request, or is this something we should? This is the one from Gabriel, you said.
Right.
Okay, yeah, we have to wait. And then we will also invite him to present this. And I think it's on the job executor, if that's all is good.
Not on the job executor. What Gabriel is doing here is kind of customizing the JMeter service so that it works with the job executor.
Yeah, because I know he's doing some work on the job executor itself, but that's great that he's also already that he has opened the PR already here. Okay, I think for today it was a kind of a quick meeting since there are no more action items currently that we need to discuss. If there is anything from the community, I will just open all the mics. I'm just clicking through here. And if there's anything you want to add, happy to talk about it. If not, then I think we can close it a little bit earlier than usual. I will have a look. I will have a look at this and give an update in the next community meeting. Let me just think if there are any new items no. I think we did. Okay, cool. Then thanks everyone for joining. Yeah, I know it's holiday season, so there are not everyone is able to join. So see you all next time. Have a great rest of the day. Let's talk to you all next week.
See you. Bye.
Bye.